Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and I'm here today with Ryan Howell with Coastline Home Inspections. And I wanted to talk a little bit about electrical panels. We have a lot of homes with older electrical panels, and want to know if everyone should need to replace that when they see one of those.
It really depends. Like everything in life, it really does depend, and this one is not necessarily a need to upgrade, but there are a few conditions that I would recommend upgrading. One, if it's a Insko or Sylvania panel, they're actually branded differently, but it's the same type of panel. They've been known to have a number of defects and fire hazards involved with their operation. The other one is a Federal Pacific stab lock, and both of these panels are kind of labeled as such. So if you see those, probably a good idea to upgrade. They have had issues with them. They are known to be fire hazards in certain scenarios, so I'd recommend upgrading. The second reason would be is if you had a lot of corrosion, or like seeing it rusting, or that there are any scorch marks on it, certainly, which would indicate overheating electrical components, and that is definitely a fire hazard and should be looked at and probably replaced.
Okay. So old isn't necessarily bad in this case?
No, not necessarily. As long as it's not scorched, corroded, and it's not a defective panel that was recalled, then it's not necessarily a bad thing.
Great. Good information. Thank you. Thank you very much, and call us. We'd love to hear from you.